Welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force. Today we're going to be building the BMD-4M. And this is a Russian infantry fighting vehicle used by the Russian Airborne Troops, otherwise known as the VDV. It's a lightweight vehicle, so it can be airdropped, and that's why it was designed for the airborne troops. Although it can also be amphibious and go in the water, you can actually add in a snorkel pipe on the right hand side in the back. Right now I do not have it on because usually they don't have it on unless it's in the water. And right over here, this is the BTR-MDM Rakushka. This is an armored personnel carrier. It's based on the BMD-4M, which is this one, but it can also carry additional troops, up to 12 troops and 3 crew in this one. While the other one, I believe it can only carry 3 crew and 5 troops. So it's a similar design, but it's also different camouflage. And these things also do come in a plain color, so you won't always see it in these colors. These are both manufactured by the Volgograd tractor factory, and it was used during the Russian 2022 invasion of Ukraine. There's a picture of them loaded on the flat cars, and these two vehicles, why I built them in one video is because they are often seen together, like they're used in one unit. So you guys can have a mixture of these two. But anyways, let's go take a look at the build itself. This one has a gun. It has a turret, some 2 antennas here, and one of the important characteristics to identify these two vehicles is that they have this channel here in the back. It sort of dips in the middle, which is kind of weird. The BMP does not have that, so that's why I was like, that is a weird looking BMP, but it's actually the BMD-4M. So yeah, these two have it. And the tractor base, here's what it looks like. They do have different camouflage, so not the same exact scheme, so I will have to like split up the tutorial into 2 parts. I think the only really common part of these two builds are going to be the tracks. While the BTR-MDM, this one, there's supposed to be like a machine gun here. Sometimes it doesn't have anything. Like there's different modes of these. So I just left it like that, and of course it just has just a more bulky appearance than this one. I really like how the BMD-4M looks like compared to this one. It's like But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get started on the build. Alright, to get started, we're going to make a base model for these two, and we're going to split off the tutorial later on. So first off, we'll add in a polished deep slate slab, stairs, dark prismarine slab, a green terracotta, birch stairs, dark prismarine stairs, and a polished diorite stairs. Alright, so first off, we're going to add in the middle, upside down, polished diorite stairs, 2 blocks above the ground like that. Then next to it, we're going to add dark prismarine stairs, upside down, and then we're going to corner this with birch stairs. Then we're going to add in a birch stairs here, and then corner it with dark prismarine stairs like that. And then we're going to go over here to the edge, skip a block, and add in a polished deep slate stairs facing the front. And we're going to make it so it's going to be 3 blocks long, both sides. And then we'll add in another 3 facing towards the back. Add in a slab at the very end of it, and also the front of it. Then we're going to go in between these stairs here. We'll add in 3 blocks wide, dark prismarine slab. And then go in the back with these stairs, 3 blocks wide, and then we'll fill in the slabs on the outer edge. Then we're going to add in a polished deep slate slab right above the back one. And then we'll add on the inside a green terracotta right above each of these dark prismarine slabs. Like that. Then we're going to add in a warp sign. One to this corner here. Alright, then we'll add in the dark prismarine slab. It's going to be right on top of this track here. And we'll add in a birch slab right next to that. And then we'll go in the front, we'll add in 3 blocks wide of green terracotta like that. Then we'll add in a warp trapdoor, one here in the middle. And a birch trapdoor on the left hand side like that. Alright, so that's pretty much it for our base model, so this is where we're going to split off the tutorial. Alright, so first we're going to make the BMD-4M. So to do that, let's go here in the front. We'll add in a warp sign in front of that polished diorite. And we'll also add in a birch trapdoor on the right. Then we'll go to the side and skip a block, punch in a hole, skip 2, punch in 2 blocks wide hole, and fill it in with birch blocks like that. And the other side, skip a block and add in 2 birch blocks here, just like so. All right, next up, we're going to add in warped signs to the corners in the back. We'll add in dark prismarine slab here. And we'll make a Z shape of birch slabs like this. Go down here, add a birch slab, dark prismarine slab too. And then skip a block, dark prismarine slab. And then a birch slab here, dark prismarine slab here on top. 2 dark prismarine slabs like that. And then dark prismarine stairs here in the middle and with a corner on the sides of that. And then dark prismarine slab here, skip block another one here. And then another 2 here on the side. And then 2 dark prismarine slabs here. Birch slab. Then 2 birch slabs on the top. Skip a block down here, dark prismarine slab. And then a birch slab. Dark prismarine slab. On top, birch slab. And then we'll take out polished blackstone slab and we'll add one here in the back. And the other side, we're going to add one over here. Dark prismarine slab here. And then a birch slab. Then down here is going to be a polished diorite slab. Other side, same thing. And then in the front, there's going to be this warped slab here in the middle for the hatch. And then a birch pressure plate on top of the middle. And on either side of that, it's going to be a green carpet like that. Then we'll go over here in the middle. And we're going to add in a green terracotta like that. And a birch plank. The other side, we're going to add birch plank here. Then green terracotta. Then the middle is going to be green terracotta here. Then we're going to add dark prismarine slab, 3 blocks here. A slab here. And in the back, there's going to be another 2 slabs here in the middle. And then we'll add in a birch slab on the right. And this polished blackstone slab on the left-hand side. There's also going to be upside down birch stairs, just facing away from the middle, upside down like that. Alright, then on top here, we'll add in a mossy cobblestone wall here in the middle with a zombie head facing towards the front. Then we'll add in sandstone wall on either side of it. And then this iron bar, it's going to be 3 blocks tall, both sides. Got 2 antennas. In the middle is going to be a birch slab. And then we'll add in dark prismarine slabs on either side of that. And also one here in the middle. And then dark prismarine stairs right there. And the other side will be this mossy cobblestone wall. And we'll also add in zombie heads. So it's going to be diagonal facing towards the middle on the other side. And for the gun itself, it's going to be a daylight detector. Gonna make that blue. And add in warped trapdoor, birch trapdoor, and then another warped trapdoor like that. Then I'm going to add in a birch slab right there in the corner. Go at the back. Apparently I did this side wrong. This is actually the right side up. This stairs, so make sure that's changed like that. And in the back, underneath this wall, we'll add in a green terracotta like that. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make the BMD-4M. So now we're going to make the armored personnel carrier version of it. Alright, to get started on that, we'll add in a dark prismarine slab here. Another slab here in the front. Another slab right in the corner here. Back on this side, skip block, another slab here. Then a polished diorite slab. And then a birch slab, skip block birch slab, dark prismarine slab here in the middle of that. And a birch slab over here. Then on the other side, we'll add in 2 birch slabs. Dark prismarine slab, polished diorite slab, a birch slab, and then 2 polished blackstone brick slabs. And we'll also add in a birch sign right there in the back, these 2 corners, and also this side here. Then we'll take out a green terracotta, and we'll add one here in the front, another one on the inside, another one outside, and then a birch plank on the inside of this, birch plank on the outside, and then green terracotta here, and then a dark prismarine slab on top. Corner, we'll add in a birch slab like that, and we'll add on this side another birch slab here, and then a birch stairs, and the other side will be 2 dark prismarine slabs like that, and then a green terracotta like that. Dark prismarine slabs on the sides. In the middle is going to be a birch slab like that. Another birch slab on top. And then a green terracotta right there. And then a mossy cobblestone slab right there. Then we'll add in green terracotta. So there's going to be 1 here. 2 on the other side. And a birch stairs facing this side. Then we're going to make green terracotta, wrap it around this birch plank like that. And then we'll add in a birch plank. It's going to be 1 here, diagonally another one, diagonally another one, and then green terracotta in the middle of this. And on the side, there's going to be this dark prismarine stairs like that, facing towards the front. And then over here is going to be green terracotta, skip block, green terracotta, diagonally in, another one here, diagonally in, another one here, and then a birch plank here in the middle. It's going to be upside down, birch stairs like that, and then birch planks on either side of this middle part here, and then birch slabs across just like that, and a birch sign right there. Down at the bottom, we're going to add in another warp trapdoor on the right hand side, and on top of this, another warp trapdoor here. And then there's going to be this zombie head just facing towards the side with a warped fence like that. Alright, then on this side, there's going to be upside down birch stairs like that. And then dark prismarine stairs facing the back there. And then we'll add in stone buttons on either side of the stairs and chain here in the middle. Other side, we'll do the same thing. Chain there in the middle. And then for the top part, we'll add in warped pressure plate 1 here, another one here, and then a birch pressure plate skip block away 1 there for the hatch. These 2 things actually open up. And then we'll add in a green carpet right above this one, this stairs, and that stairs on the other side. Then we'll add in iron bars. It's going to be 1 here and another one on top of this birch. I'm going to make it 4 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, same thing. It's got the twin towers. And then we'll add in a birch button. There's going to be a birch button right here. And another one here. Another one on top there. And then a warp button right there in the corner. Then I'm going to add in a birch pressure plate on the right hand side right there. Yeah, I believe that's pretty much it on how to make both versions of this BMD-4M and the BTR-MDM. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.